How would you like to get paid using other people's efforts? Well, this is what this new product promises to do. This is called AffliMachine, and it's from a vendor called Victory Akpos. And what he's done is he's put together a product that lets you use other people's webinars and other people's offers to power your own marketing. And how they do this is they have brought in their own products into the play, and also they have talked to some leading vendors and brought in their products. They've collected all the webinars that are proven to convert and make sales, and they have created this application that automates the process of opt-in, webinar playing, and then final order. So you just get paid by getting leads into the funnel. You get the leads, they look at the opt-in page, they sign up, they watch the webinar, and if they purchase, you get paid. The benefits are you don't have to create any product. The webinars are all ready, and they're known to be converting webinars. So you know that the money is there. There is a proof that the money has been made on this before. So if you got the way to get leads, and if you know how to get some traffic, or you're ready to work a little bit and get traffic, or you're ready to follow the system that they have and get traffic, you will be able to make money from this. Now, how this works is you got to sign up for the offers, for the affiliate commissions, and mostly if you tell the vendors who are a part of this program that you are coming in through the program, they're going to approve you. Let's take a look and see how it works. Now, I would heavily recommend that if you get started with this, the first thing you want to do is look at the tutorials. I'm into this before the product went live. So the tutorials are not up yet, but by the time you see this product, the tutorials are going to be there. Now, I would recommend you to watch the tutorials because they're going to show you how to grab the leads, how to get the leads in, how to set up the opt-in pages, how to set up the webinar pages, and then flow in your traffic to get paid, right? And it will also show you how to sign up to get approved by the vendors, right? Exactly what to do, because the offers are all on affiliate commissions. So must watch the tutorials. Now I'm going to show you how to use the software, and I think this is going to be helpful. So maybe you will discover all of it inside this product, inside this tutorial. So you get started by just clicking on new funnel. Now, when you click on new funnel, you see that there are some templates. You've got actually a bunch of templates, which are the offers. So you got Guru OS, you got Agentic Agency, AI Flip Domains, Geo Optimizer, Cinemation, which is my product. You got SERPs Link, Client Force, Traffic Magnets, Hooked AI, Outreach, another one of my products, Instantly Claw, OpenClaw, Local Mentor, Clever AI Studio, Present IQ, Viral Characters, Gram Guinea. So there are actually a lot of offers that you can profit from. Cohortia is another one of my products. Croc is also one of my products. So of course, my products are also quite, heavy converting, and they are a part of this. So what you need to do is choose the product that you want to set up, or you can set up pretty much all of them if you want to. And what you need to do is, like, let's go with Cinemation. Just call it Cinemation webinar or whatever you want to do. Call this, and it will have something like this. It will be a special URL. So click on create funnel, and then you've got the landing page all done for you. So this is done by AI. It's ready-made for you depending on the offer. So there is a very strong headline. Discover the breakthrough AI video platform that lets beginners create movies, documentaries, and all of these things, all of the benefits. Plus there is this opt-in page. So if you drive traffic to it, people will sign in and you will get the lead, right? You can modify this if you want to, but you don't really need to. Now the webinar room is also set up for you. So it's kind of like done for you. Now you can also bring in other webinars. So this is an ongoing product. It's not like, this is done for you and you can go beyond this. You can, because you can look at the new offers which are coming in the market, and then create webinars based on those offers, get the webinars from the vendors. I often do that. People come to me and ask me for the webinar link. I give it to them, and they run the webinar on their platform. They make the commission. So this is something that you can do over and over in the future too. You can bring in other people's product, and now this is pre-filled, right? But you can fill in this stuff manually, and you will be able to set up an offer instantly. Now look at this. There's going to be webinar title, webinar description, video URL, video duration, the length of the video, CTA button, CTA link. CTA link is call to action link. Where do people go to buy? Right? And of course, don't send it to the affiliate page. I would say you send it to the home page. Affiliate request link. This is where this is provided to you so that you can go in and request the affiliate link for this product. So just click on it, or just view, just click on this button, and it'll take you to the approval. You can click the apply button, and you will get this. There is also the JV page, which you can see, and the vendor contact information, so you can talk to the vendor and maybe communicate about your offer. On offer, you will see the details about what you are selling. All of this information is here, kind of 3 levels of the offer, and an exit intent pop-up. If you want, you can turn it on, and then you can let people buy something else or opt in or do something else that is trying to save the sale. Maybe even give them a discount coupon if you have it. And if at the end of the webinar you want to send them somewhere else, you can do that too. I'm going to disable this. So you can enable one of these offers. So there are 3 kinds of offers. Enable the one that you want, and you can add more offers too. Now there is the AI assistant. So if you want to have an AI chat on it, you can have that, right? So people can chat with the AI. Then there are integrations. You can connect this to email service providers like Aweber, and your leads can go directly into the email service provider that you connect. The integrations are right here. So you can see it's got MailChimp, GetResponse, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, Brevo, and generic webhooks. So no Aweber, but it's got some other providers. Now share links. These are the links that you will actually try to promote. I will show them to you in a moment. In promotion, you will see some stats. In marketing assets, you see the details like, that you can use. So this is for CineMation. All of these things you can use, like ad copy and images and everything. So kind of done for you. There is chat if you want to see the chats that happened on your promotion, and the traffic settings. So you can add keywords and all, and you can try to promote it using the keywords, and you can have auto replies, things like that. So this is for chat, right? So posting account from Reddit, YouTube. So you can do auto posting from these 3 platforms. If there are posts featuring the keywords that you want. I think this is a great feature because you can kind of automate your traffic, right? This is cool. I like that. I need to test that, but I'm not gonna connect my accounts. But this is a good thing to have. So watch it in the tutorials. Now let's go into promotions. Let's take a look. Share link, sorry. This is the opt-in page. Hold on, I need to publish it first. So click on publish, and it's published now, and it's as easy as that. You got this URL, and then you've got the opt-in page. People can put in their details, and boom, the lead will be able to sign up. Same webinar room. I looked at the webinar room earlier. I think it was very clean. Look at this.
Right. Hello, everyone. It's Todd Gross live here with Cyril Gupta and the whole
You can see
gang.
it's kind of got like stats and stuff.
Well, because
and this is like a real webinar
presentation dealing with something that is so exciting.
Okay, so it's exactly like the webinar
so
room should be.
Called.
I just had to turn it down because I had no way to mute it. This is how the real webinar is. So that's one more advantage. Now, in my funnels, you can see all the funnels that you set up. I set up one for CineMation just now, and I did one test earlier. In templates, you can see all the offers that are a part of this product. There are a bunch of them. So you could use any of them, and you've got some categorization like business, consulting, e-commerce, education, and marketing. Good products here, long-term products. And in leads, you can see the list of all the people who signed up. You can export that into whatever you want. In promo calendar, you will see the promotions that are coming in this month. So this is something that will go live again when the product goes live, and you will be able to get ongoing offers, get access to ongoing offers to promote webinars for. I think this is great, right? So this is the overall product. It looks pretty clean, and it's good if you are somebody who's got some idea about how to use traffic, who can use the integrations, who's got a dedicated mindset to promote offers regularly. You'll be able to use this product to run other people's webinars. Now, if you like this product and you decide to get it, I'm going to tell you this, make sure you get it from me, because I'll give you some reasons. Firstly, I've got a bunch of products, really good, high quality products, long-term, that you can promote and sell forever. And I'm going to let you promote any of these. So if you get this product from me, I'm gonna let you sell my products and earn a commission on them. All you need to do is just follow the directions in this product and reach out to me, and I will approve you for all of my offers. Absolutely no problems with that. right? As long as you're not scamming, as long as you're not spamming, I will approve you for my offers. So that's one advantage. Secondly, I will give you, if you purchase this product from me, I'm going to give you Technic Force reward points, and that makes you eligible to get my products free. Like the latest product I launched was Vidicom, excellent video maker for e-commerce. I know people are using it to make money already. They're making great e-com videos, something like this. Take a look.
2 essentials that replace a cabinet full. Cookware Duo, 7 pieces, non-stick for every day. Now $179, regularly $284.
So this product makes e-commerce videos and it just does it from the listing. It's very easy to use, super popular, and people are loving it. People is getting some great results for the customers. So you can get this free of cost using my Technic Force rewards program, and the website where your account will be created automatically right when you purchase is Technic Force rewards. Boom, boom. As soon as you purchase, you can go in here, your account is automatically created. You can just click on forgot password. If you don't know the password, you never use this, it will reset. It will send you a reset link where you can set up a new password, and you'll be able to create, you'll be able to get access to all of
Hey
the
guys,
software.
this is Surabjeet, your best friend in
Check this out.
rewards program. Technic Force. So keep watching.
In case you've never bought a product before through us, your account is not going to be there, and to get your account here you have to buy something. So please go ahead and do that, and once you've done that, your account is created. You can just click on sign in and you will be taken inside. Here you can see how many credit points you've already got and how many credits you've already redeemed against software. We even have another detailed helpful video that you can see to see how it works, and you can see all the products that you purchased through us. You can also see information about the credits you've redeemed, and here's the store. The list of all our products is here. You can just redeem any product by clicking. So this is one-click redemption, right? You don't need to ask permission. You don't need to reach out to support. Click a button, get access. As easy as that. So if you decide to get this product, I'll see you inside. This is Cyril Gupta signing off, and I'll be back later with another product review.